Close your eyes, all of you. Get ready for the prayer. Ali, join your hands. Arab, join your hands. Yes,
Our
Vinayak, you
Father
may
in
begin.
heaven, our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, but
As,
deliver
as we forgive those
as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Okay. Thank you, Vinayak. You said the prayer very nicely. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to your English class. I hope all of you are fine, enjoyed your weekend. Sunday, all of you enjoyed
Good
yesterday.
morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, Rudraksh. Good morning, Sakina, Hayat, Prashasti, Hassan. All of you, good morning. You enjoyed the weather yesterday? It was Sunday and the weather was also very
Good
nice. So
morning,
I'm sure you
ma'am.
all must have enjoyed. Good morning, Prashasti. Everyone had a nice time yesterday? Yes? Yes, Ronek? Yes, Ronek, you had gone out somewhere, no? You went for some outing. I saw the pictures on your mommy's status. You had gone out somewhere. Okay, that's nice. So you spent your weekend very nicely. You enjoyed yourself. Okay. So, all of you ready with your English literature books? I told you be ready with your literature books. Are you all ready? Give me a thumbs up quickly. All right. Today we are going to start with a new lesson in literature. So you're going to open your books to page number 22. Page number 22. Page number 22. Oh Mansh, what happened? You're sitting so sadly. Sit nicely. Sit straight. Smartly. Aradhya, Aradhya, your phone needs to be turned. Your image is inverted, child. Yes. How are you, Hardik?
I am fine.
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Right, page number 22, English literature books. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, being selfish. Wali, pay attention now, all of you sit straight, fold your hands first. Now, selfish. What is the meaning of the word selfish? Let's understand that first. Selfish is when you are thinking only about yourself. जब हम सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचते हैं और किसी के बारे में नहीं सोचते हैं, that is called being selfish. That's called being selfish. For example, if at home you have your brothers and sisters, right? If you have your elders or younger brothers and sisters, and your parents give you something nice to eat, Mom, yes, Inaya? Inaya, are you saying something?
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 22.
Ma'am, ma'am,
English literature books, page number 22. When we are thinking about our own self, जब हम सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोच रहे हैं. For example, if your parents bring something nice for you to eat, मम्मी पापा आपके लिए कुछ अच्छा खाने के लिए लाते हैं स्पेशल, और आप सोचते हैं कि वो हम किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करेंगे। आपकी फेवरेट चॉकलेट मम्मी ने ला कर दी और आपने सोचा हम उसको हाइड करके चुपचाप अकेले खाएंगे, किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करेंगे। देन दैट इज़ बीइंग सेल्फिश। सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोच रहे हैं। अगर आपके छोटे भाई बहन ने देख लिया या बड़े भाई बहन ने देख लिया और आपसे बोला मुझे थोड़ी सी दे दो, मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा शेयर कर लो, और आप बोलते नहीं नहीं मेरी फेवरेट चॉकलेट है, ये तो हम किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करेंगे, देन दैट्स कॉल्ड बीइंग सेल्फिश। आप सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोच रहे हैं। अगर क्लास में आपके फ्रेंड के पास, आपके पार्टनर के पास पेंसिल नहीं है और आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा पेंसिल्स हैं, इफ़ यू हैव 2 पेंसिल्स, और आपका पार्टनर आपसे पेंसिल बोल रहा है कि मेरे पास पेंसिल नहीं है, एक पेंसिल मेरे साथ शेयर कर लो, और आप बोलते नहीं हम तो नहीं शेयर करेंगे, दैट्स कॉल्ड बीइंग सेल्फिश। अपनी चीज़ें दूसरों के साथ शेयर नहीं कर रहे, दैट्स रॉन्ग, इजंट इट? यस, दैट्स बीइंग सेल्फिश। Now, in this lesson, you are going to study about one boy. His name is Sunny, and you will see that how Sunny was being selfish, and then what was the result of that? What was the result of being selfish? Now, look at the first sentence given on page number 22. It says, read each sentence. Tick the sentences that tell you about good habits. Now, all of you are all good children, all of you have good habits, you all follow the magic words, you practice them, yes? So let's see what it says. You have to put a tick on the sentences that tell you about the good habits. Number 1, listen carefully. Listen carefully to number 1. Number 1, listen carefully. Share your toys with your brother or sister. Sharing your toys with your brother and sister. Isn't it good? Is that a good habit or bad habit? Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Is it a good habit or a bad habit? Good habit, that's right. So put a tick against that sentence. Just put a tick over there. Sentence number 1, put a tick over there, children. The first sentence. That's a good habit. Next, number 2, you do not share your food with your brother or sister. You do not share your food with your brother and sister. Bad habit. I just gave you an example, no? If your parents get you something good and you don't share, that's a bad habit. Next, number 3, you are always in a bad mood. Always in a bad mood. कभी भी आपसे कोई भी बात करने आता है आप गुस्सा हो जाते हैं. You get angry. You don't like to be happy. Bad habit. You must always be happy, smiling. That's why I told you, let me see your smiles, beautiful smiles that you have. Okay, next, number 4, you always stay unhappy. हमेशा sad रहते हैं. Is it a good habit or a bad habit? Rishita, unhappy means sad. हमेशा sad रहना, is it a good habit or a bad habit? Bad habit.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Next, you all.
Ma'am, I
Next,
have done my work.
प्रशस्ति, वी आर डूइंग इट टुगेदर. अगर आपको अकेले बैठ के करना है बेटे तो फिर आपने क्लास क्यों ज्वाइन कर ली? सबके साथ में सब लोग स्टडी कर रहे हैं ना. वी हैव टू डू इट टुगेदर. इट्स गुड दैट यू आर डूइंग इट, बट पे अटेंशन, लिसन टू एवरीथिंग दैट योर टीचर्स टेलिंग यू, राइट? Next sentence, sentence number 5. You do not share your things with your classmates. Classmates, आपके क्लास में जो बच्चे हैं उनके साथ आप अपनी चीज़ें शेयर नहीं करते हैं. अभी हमने एक एग्जाम्पल दिया ना, क्लास में अगर आपके पार्टनर के पास पेंसिल नहीं है, आपसे उसने मांगा और आपने शेयर नहीं करा, that's a bad habit.
Number 2.
Next, number 6. You respect your parents and other family members. You respect your parents and other family members. आप अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स की और अपने पेरेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. Is that a good habit or a bad habit?
Good habit.
You just have to give a thumbs up or thumbs down. Right? I can see your actions. Okay, thumbs up. So put a tick over there, number 6. Next, number 7. You say sorry when you upset someone. You say sorry when you upset someone. Upset means किसी को नाराज कर देना. अगर आप किसी को नाराज कर देते हैं, उसके बाद आप जाके उसको सॉरी बोलते हैं. Is it a good habit or a bad habit?
Mom,
Good
bad habit.
अगर आप किसी को नाराज कर देते हैं, उसके बाद आप जाके उससे सॉरी बोल देते हैं.
Ma'am, good
आप
habit.
अपनी गलती को मान लेते हैं और सॉरी
Good
बोलते हैं.
habit, ma'am. Good habit.
Please show, give me a thumbs up. Anya, you have to give a thumbs up. So put a tick over there. And the last sentence is, you do not clean your room. You do not clean your room. आप अपना रूम जो है बहुत अनटाइडी रखते हैं, उसको साफ नहीं करते हैं. Is it a good habit or a bad habit? Keeping your room dirty. Bad habit. Okay.
Bad habit.
Now you know what are the good habits, what are the bad habits. You're big enough, you understand things. क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, क्या आपको करना है, you understand things, right? Now, let's read the story. Read a story about a selfish boy. Put your finger there, all of you. Pay attention and listen to how I'm reading. Put your finger. One day, mother gets lots of fruits. May I have a banana? I ask. We have fruits at night, says mother. In the afternoon, we all go to sleep. Sunny stays awake. When everyone sleeps, he eats all the fruits. We wake up, we cannot find the fruits. Mother scolds Sunny, but Sunny is not sorry. Soon, Sunny starts to feel sick. His tummy pains. You are a selfish boy, Sunny, she says. This is your punishment. Later, Sunny says sorry to all of us. I will never be selfish again, he says. Everything is fine now. Now what happens? There's a family. You have a boy and a girl there, and the boy's name is Sunny. One day, mother brings fruits. She goes for shopping and she brings some nice fruits. And what happens? May I have a banana? Now Sunny's sister, she comes and says, May I have a banana? Sunny की बहन जो है वो मम्मी से पूछती है, May I have a banana? Then mummy says, We have fruits at night. Mummy tells the children that we have fruits at night. In the afternoon, we all go to sleep. Now what happens? Afternoon में सब लोग सो जाते हैं. उसके बाद क्या होता है? Sunny quietly awakes. वो सोता नहीं है, वो चुपचाप उठ जाता है. He stays awake. Awake means you're not sleeping. He's awake. Hassan, sit straight. Sunny stays awake. When everyone sleeps, he eats all the fruits. जब वो देखता है आफ्टरनून में सब लोग सो गए, चुपचाप जाके सारे फ्रूट्स खा जाता है. Now see the picture given here, children. See the fruits. Such a lot of fruits on the table in the basket. और सनी क्या करता है? अकेले सारे फ्रूट्स खा जाता है. उसके बाद क्या होता है? नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 23. Next page, page number 23. Put your finger there. Let's see what happens. We wake up. We cannot find the fruits. Now, mummy, the little sister, and the father, when they wake up, they cannot see anything on the table. The fruit basket is empty. There is nothing in the fruit basket. Mother scolds Sunny. मदर को समझ में आता है कि ये ज़रूर सनी का काम है. So mummy scolds him. But Sunny is not sorry. सनी को बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है कि उसने कुछ गलत किया है. उसने सोचा फ्रूट्स थे, मैंने सब खा लिए, मैंने कोई गलत थोड़ी ना करा है. लेकिन उसने ये नहीं सोचा घर में और भी लोग हैं, मम्मी है, सिस्टर है, फादर है, सबको शेयर करके खाना था. उसने सब कुछ अकेले खा लिया. And then what happens? Soon Sunny starts to feel sick. His tummy pains. Wow, after little while, थोड़ी देर के बाद सनी के पेट में बहुत दर्द होने लगता है. His tummy starts paining. And then the mother says, "You are a selfish boy, Sunny. This is your punishment." मम्मी को भी लगा कि सनी ने झूठ बोला, सनी ने अपनी गलती एक्सेप्ट नहीं करी कि उसने सारे फ्रूट्स खा लिए थे. जब मम्मी ने उसको बोला, उसने बोला नो नो, आई हैवंट डन एनीथिंग, मैंने नहीं करा है. और उसको लगा उसने कोई गलत काम नहीं करा, तो इसलिए उसको बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं खराब लगा. उसने सॉरी भी नहीं बोला. Adiraj says straight, but soon his tummy started paining. जब हम कुछ गलत करते हैं तो उसका पनिशमेंट हमें मिलता है. His tummy started paining and he was very sad then. Then later Sunny says sorry to all of us. Sunny ने सबको जाकर सॉरी बोला. And he says, I will never be selfish again. He says everything, and everything is fine. वो जाकर सॉरी बोलता है मम्मी को, अपनी सिस्टर को, पापा को. He says sorry to everyone and then everything is fine in the family. Understood? Did you understand the story, children? All right. Now, Ishanvi, let me ask you some questions. Let me see. Who brought the fruits? Who brought the fruits from the market?
Mama.
Mama. Mother brought the fruits. Okay. Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
May I have a banana? I asked. Now ये किसने पूछा? May I have a banana? Okay, now listen carefully. स्टोरी में फादर, मदर, सनी और सनी की सिस्टर है. ठीक है. सनी की सिस्टर जो है वो ये स्टोरी बता रही है. सनी की सिस्टर जो है वो ये स्टोरी बता रही है. दैट इज व्हाई इट सेज मे आई हैव अ बनाना, आई आस्क. सनी की सिस्टर ने मम्मी से पूछा मे आई हैव अ बनाना, आई आस्क. राइट. देन जब हम यहाँ पर स्टोरी में पेज नंबर 23, look at page number 23, this sentence here it says, Sunny says sorry to all of us, right? And then everything is fine. To all of us means सब लोगों को सनी ने सॉरी बोला. So सनी की जो सिस्टर थी वो स्टोरी सुना रही थी. ये जो स्टोरी है, सनी की सिस्टर इसमें स्पीकर है, वो सब कुछ बता रही है. शी इज टेलिंग अस व्हाट हैपेंड इन द हाउस वन डे. राइट. सो मे आई हैव अ बनाना, आई आस्क. हु सेड दिस? सनी सिस्टर. राइट. सनी की सिस्टर ने ये सेंटेंस बोला, मे आई हैव अ बनाना. गॉट इट सानवी? ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट? हु सेड मे आई हैव अ बनाना? रुद्राक्ष?
Sunny's sister.
Sunny's sister.
Ma'am, Sunny's sister.
Okay, very good. All right. The next question. What does the family do in the afternoon? Hayat? Hayat? What does the family do in the afternoon? आफ्टरनून में वो क्या करते हैं? Can't hear you, there's a lot of disturbance.
Ma'am, go to sleep. Ma'am, eating fruit.
Please don't answer out of turn, children. Aram, you're right. They go to sleep, but please do not answer out of turn, all right? Children, the answer is they all go to sleep in the afternoon. Adhiraj, when do they have fruits? Adhiraj, when do they have fruits in the family? When does a family have fruits? Omash?
Yes, ma'am.
Adhiraj is not answering. Omash, when does the family have fruits? At night. We have fruits at night. Mother ने बताया था ना, we have fruits at night. Right? And what is the result of Sunny eating all the fruits alone? जब सनी ने सारे फ्रूट्स अकेले खा लिए, what happened to him? आराध्या,
Yes, ma'am.
what happens to Sunny when he eats all the fruits alone? उसने सारे फ्रूट्स अकेले खा लिए थे ना, तो क्या हो गया उसको?
उसको punishment मिली.
Yes? Yes, आराध्या, आंसर.
उसको punishment मिल गई.
उसको पनिशमेंट कैसे मिली? क्या हो गया था उसको?
उसने सारे fruits अकेले खा लिए थे.
Okay, yes, Ane?
Stomach is paining.
Yes, Ane?
Yes, ma'am.
What happens to Sunny when he eats up all the bananas? All the fruits.
His stomach is paining.
Yes, Adhiraj. His stomach was paining. जब आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा मैम ने, तब आपने आंसर नहीं करा, दूसरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप बता रहे हैं. So his tummy was paining. When he ate up all the fruits alone, he was selfish. उसने लालच करी, सब कुछ अकेले खा लिया, किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करा. सो उसको पनिशमेंट में क्या हुआ? सारा उसका जितना उसने खाया था उसके स्टमक में जाकर स्टमक में पेन होने लगा. Yes, his stomach started paining. All right, now we are going to read the lesson once again. Prashasti, start reading the lesson. Prashasti, can you hear me? आन्या, अपना माइक म्यूट करिए बेटे, बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस आ रही उधर से. Prashasti, Prashasti, begin reading. No sound is coming from your end. Prashasti, there's no sound from your end, child. Rudraksh, you begin reading. Being selfish. Start reading. Rudraksh.
Once a day,
One day,
other kid, mother
gets.
a
One day, Rudraksh, you read with me. One day,
one day
mother gets
mother gets
lots of fruits.
lots of fruits.
May I have a banana?
May and one banana.
May I have? May I have
May I
a banana?
have a banana?
I ask.
I ask.
All right. Hassan, carry on. Continue, Hassan.
Yes,
We have. Hassan, put your finger there and read with me. We have fruits at night. हसन मैम के साथ रीडिंग करिए. We have fruits at night, says mother.
Yes, mother.
All right. Ayat Fatima Rizvi, continue. Put your finger there and read with me. In the afternoon, we all go to sleep.
बहुत ज्यादा
आन्या, आपका माइक बार बार आप ऑन क्यों कर रही हैं बेटे? All right, Vinayak, next line. Sunny stays awake
Sunny stays awake
when everyone
sleeps.
he eats all the fruits.
We eat all the fruits.
All right, next page, children, page number 23. Hardik, we wake up. Put your finger there, Hardik. Page 23.
We
Wake up. We cannot find
find
the fruits.
a fruit.
Okay, visual.
Mother
Hardik, thank you. Hardik, thank you. Visual. Next line, put your finger there, visual. Read with me. Mother scolds Sunny. Scolds Sunny. Okay, now scolds means to get angry. Scold means to get angry. किसी के ऊपर नाराज होना, गुस्सा करना. Okay, thank you, visual. Adiraj, the next line. But Sunny is.
but
Sunny is
Sunny is
not sorry.
sorry.
Okay, thank you. Arham, the next line. Arham. Soon
Yes, ma'am.
Sunny. Next line, put your finger and read with me. Soon Sunny starts
Sunny starts
to feel sick.
to feel sick.
His tummy pains.
Tummy pain.
Okay, thank you. Inaya, next line. You are a. Read with me.
Are a
Selfish boy. Sunny.
Sunny.
She says.
She says that
This is
this is
your punishment. Okay, thank you. Shivansh, the last line.
Yes, ma'am.
Read with me. Later,
Later, Sunny
Sunny
says
says
sorry
sorry to all of us.
to all of us.
I will never be
I will never be
selfish again.
selfish again.
He says
Yes,
everything is fine now.
it is fine now.
Okay. Now children, remember you're going to read this lesson very well for homework. I will be sending the difficult words. You will write them in your copy and learn. Now get ready for attendance straight. Anya Nigam.
एक्चुअली में मैम आपने मुझसे नहीं पूछा
अशोक नेवर माइंड
लेकिन
आपकी टर्न
मैम
बाद में आएगी. ओके. आन्या निगम.
यस मैम
आरव मौर्य. आरव आंसर क्विकली. आरव.
यस मैम
आरव निगम.
प्रेजेंट मैम प्रेजेंट मैम प्रेजेंट मैम
ओके. आयत हैदर. आयत मोमिना
प्रेजेंट
हैदर.
मैम प्रेजेंट मैम
Adhiraj Agarwal. Adhiraj answer. I can see you there.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Okay. Anay Mishra. Ansh Francis. Anay Mishra, you are there, child. Answer. Please answer quickly for your names. Aradhya Srivastav.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Astha Tripathi. Ayat Fatima Rizvi.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Ayat Heather, why have you joined from so many IDs? 1, 2, 3. I can see 3 IDs joined here. Ayat. Christopher Massey. Christopher answer child. Hardik Gupta. Hayat Khan. Inaya Khan. Ishanvi. Hriday. Rishita. Mahira Fazal. Manjeet Verma. Meher Fatima Naqvi. Mohammad Adham.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Mohammad Mustafa. Mohammad Hassan.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Nipun Giri. Nipun. Oman Agarwal. Pranjali.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Prashasti.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Ronik. Riya.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Rudraksh.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Sakina.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Sanvi. Shivansh.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Shubhgautam. Please answer fast. Syed Mohammad Wali Abbas. Syed Mohammad Ali Altamash. Vaishnavi. Vihan Tiwari. Vijwal Mehra. Vinayak.
प्रेजेंट मैम
All right, now you can take your break, children, and make sure you join the next class also. एक क्लास करके दूसरे क्लास में एब्सेंट होंगे तो अटेंडेंस नहीं मिलेगी. सो प्लीज़ बी केयरफुल. जॉइन योर नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑल्सो. थैंक यू.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.